Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm the Tracker app has Epic Games account permission and access to match data. Next, verify the tracker shows your correct Epic ID and synced platform information. Check Fortnite settings to ensure event sharing and match visibility are enabled. Then, confirm any in-app integrations use OAuth and are not expired. Restart the Tracker app and Fortnite client, then wait 5 minutes for data to sync. Finally, check the Tracker logs for integration or authentication errors. Next, troubleshoot network issues that block event updates from servers. Allow outgoing traffic on ports 80 and 443 and disable restrictive VPN rules while testing. If you use a proxy, bypass it or test a direct connection to confirm behavior. Clear the Tracker cache folder and free at least 100 MB of space to ensure fresh data downloads. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus for 30 seconds to test access, then re-enable protections after testing. Finally, run the Tracker in administrator mode to rule out permission denials. If basic fixes fail, update or reinstall the Tracker to the latest version and keep backups. Check for known outages on Epic Games, service pages, and Tracker status where applicable. Compare Tracker event timestamps with Fortnite match times to confirm whether delays or missing pushes occur. Enable verbose logging in the Tracker settings to capture API requests and responses. Collect log files with timestamps, include your Epic ID, and submit everything to the Tracker support portal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.